On 14th December, a highly anticipated concert by the famous Punjabi singer Diljit Dosanjh took place in Chandigarh. The event, which had fans eagerly awaiting, was under close scrutiny due to concerns over noise pollution and safety. While the concert was a hit with fans, the Chandigarh administration has reported that the event exceeded the permissible noise limits. According to the Noise Pollution, Regulation and Control Rules of 2000, the maximum noise level allowed at public events is 75 decibels. Unfortunately, monitoring during the concert found that the noise levels breached this limit. The event had received permission from the Punjab and Haryana High Court just a day earlier, with the condition of adhering to these noise standards. However, the breach has prompted the court to take action, and the administration is now recommending strict penalties for the violators. A public interest litigation (PIL) was filed by Chandigarh resident, raising concerns about the noise pollution, crowd control, and safety measures during the concert. The PIL asked the administration to submit a detailed report on these matters. Senior advocate Amit Jhanji, representing the Chandigarh administration, confirmed that all necessary measures were taken, including the formation of 3 committees to monitor the event. A show-cause notice has been sent to those responsible for the violations. There were also concerns raised by Shipra Bansal, chairperson of the Chandigarh Commission for Protection of Child Rights. She highlighted the risks to children attending such events, especially due to loud noises and the possibility of alcohol being served to minors.
उसमें जो सबसे मेरे पास सामने आई है वो यही है कि उन्होंने वो सॉन्ग्स गाए जो मना किए गए थे। चलाक उन्होंने बीच में 1-2 शब्द उनके चेंज कर दिए, पर एक वो है कि भाई वो एक मैसेज तो वही गया ना कि वो नहीं होना चाहिए था मेरे हिसाब से।
While Diljit Dosanjh's concert was undoubtedly a memorable event for fans, it also brings attention to the importance of ensuring safety and adhering to regulations at large public gatherings. What are your thoughts on this issue? Let us know in the comments.